Hey guys, it's another week. That means another video. Welcome back to my channel. Consider subscribing if you haven't. In today's video, we're doing egg shakshuka, and so I'll show you the process. First, in a very hot sufuria, add some vegetable oil. Then some chopped onions, and you are going to cook them until they turn golden brown. Next, after the onions have turned golden brown, you add the garlic and ginger paste. Then some chopped tomatoes. Mix everything. For the seasoning of the spices, I'm using some 1.5 beef cubes. Then some curry powder, garam masala, and then some chilies for some hotness. Some salt. I'm already hungry watching this video again. Just want to make this once again. Mix everything, and at this time I think the tomatoes were cooked a little bit. So I just went ahead and started adding the eggs. Ideally, you should dig a hole in between the sauce to like that to add the eggs. But for the first one I didn't. It's now time to season the eggs with some salt. Then some thyme. Then I covered it for about 8 minutes under very low heat. This was midway. This was like after 5 minutes. The eggs are not well cooked. Here it's after the 8 minutes. The egg were well cooked. They were not runny. Yeah. So I served the egg shakshuka with boiled rice. And it was time to taste it. I think this is the first time some people will see my face on my channel, and I intend to be showing it more often. The food was so yummy. I could taste all the spices in the egg shakshuka, and the chili was too hot, but it was fine. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.